You've ever had a little sting when you're enjoying your favorite spicy taco? Notice that pesky little sore on your tongue? Yeah, we've all been there. Canker sores can be a real party pooper, right? So let's tackle them head on. Now, let's jump in, feet first. Before we begin, though, have you subscribed yet? If not, go ahead and smack that button. You won't regret it. And remember, share the love with friends and drop a comment below. Your feedback means the world to us. Canker sores, medically known as aphthous ulcers, are these small shallow lesions that develop on the soft tissues in your mouth or at the base of your gums. They can make eating and talking uncomfortable. But hold on, don't confuse them with cold sores, which are totally different and appear outside the mouth. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! Alright, let's do this. Now, bear in mind that there's no instant miracle cure for canker sores. These steps are aimed at speeding up the healing process and easing discomfort. Step 1. Apply a topical gel or ointment. Grab your OTC canker sore treatment. It could be a gel, ointment, or even a patch. Now, simply dab a small amount onto the canker sore, following instructions on the packaging. Pretty simple, eh? As a study conducted by the University of North Carolina in 2018 found, these can reduce pain and potentially speed up healing. Step 2. Rinse your mouth. This is where the dexamethasone or lidocaine mouth rinse comes in. Dexamethasone helps reduce inflammation and pain, while lidocaine numbs the area, providing instant relief. Remember to follow the instructions on the bottle, alright? Step 3. Use a soft bristle toothbrush. It's pretty straightforward. Soft bristles are less likely to irritate the sore. Oh, and here's a fun fact. A study from Brazil's São Leopoldo Mandic College of Dentistry in 2020 showed that avoiding toothpaste with sodium lauryl sulfate could help reduce canker sore occurrence. Step 4. Try a home remedy. Some people find that swishing their mouth with a mixture of warm water and baking soda helps. Others swear by applying honey to the sore. Or sucking on an ice cube could help numb the pain. Remember, these methods aren't clinically proven, but they're worth a shot, right? Now, here's a twist. You might be thinking all this is about cure, but the best way to beat canker sores is to prevent them from forming in the first place. A study from the University of Connecticut in 2022 found that avoiding spicy or highly acidic foods can help prevent canker sores. And remember, stress can be a major trigger, so don't forget to relax and unwind. So there you have it, folks. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to a canker-free mouth. And remember, if your canker sores are getting worse or lasting more than 2 weeks, seek medical attention. Before we wrap up, have you learned something new today? If you did, go ahead and hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and leave a comment below. Let's make the world a canker sore-free place together.